Natural recipe improves leg circulation and reduces fluid retention. 6 months ago, my ankles swelled so badly that my shoes wouldn't fit. As a nurse who stands for 12-hour shifts, I thought swelling was just part of the job. Then my colleague shared an old recipe her grandmother used for circulation problems. This simple recipe tackles leg swelling naturally. Poor circulation affects millions of people, especially those who sit or stand for long periods. Fluid retention in legs occurs when blood flow slows down, causing plasma to leak into surrounding tissues. Dr. Robert Chen, a vascular specialist at Johns Hopkins, explains that gravity makes leg circulation more challenging. Blood must work against gravity to return to the heart, and weakened valves can cause pooling. The recipe combines 3 powerful ingredients that work together to support circulation and reduce inflammation. These natural compounds have been used traditionally for centuries to address fluid retention. Ingredient number 1 is fresh parsley, a natural diuretic that helps eliminate excess fluid. Parsley contains compounds called flavonoids that support kidney function and increase urine production safely. Parsley provides potassium, which helps balance sodium levels in your body. Excessive sodium retention contributes to fluid accumulation, especially in lower extremities where gravity affects drainage. Use 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley leaves, finely chopped. Fresh parsley contains higher concentrations of active compounds compared to dried versions, making it more effective for circulation support. Ingredient number 2 is fresh ginger root, which stimulates blood flow and reduces inflammation. Ginger contains gingerols that dilate blood vessels and improve circulation throughout the body. Research published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology shows ginger improves blood flow by 12% within 2 hours of consumption. This increased circulation helps move stagnant fluid from leg tissues. Ginger also reduces inflammation that can contribute to swelling. Chronic inflammation damages blood vessel walls, making them more permeable and increasing fluid leakage into tissues. Use 1 inch of fresh ginger root, grated finely. Fresh ginger provides more potent anti-inflammatory compounds than powdered versions, delivering better circulation benefits. Ingredient number 3 is fresh lemon juice, rich in vitamin C and citrus flavonoids. These compounds strengthen blood vessel walls and improve their ability to contain fluid properly. Vitamin C supports collagen production, which maintains blood vessel integrity. Stronger vessel walls reduce fluid leakage that causes swelling in legs and ankles. Lemon juice also provides citric acid that helps dissolve mineral deposits in blood vessels. These deposits can impede circulation and contribute to fluid retention problems. Use juice from half a fresh lemon, approximately 2 tablespoons. Fresh lemon juice contains more active compounds than bottled versions, providing better vascular support. Preparation requires specific timing for maximum effectiveness. Combine ingredients in 8 ounces of warm water, not hot, to preserve heat-sensitive compounds. Steep the mixture for 5 minutes to allow proper extraction of active compounds. Strain the liquid to remove solid particles that might cause digestive discomfort. Drink this mixture twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening. Morning consumption helps kickstart circulation, while evening intake supports overnight fluid drainage. Timing matters for optimal results. Consume 30 minutes before meals to enhance absorption of active compounds. Avoid drinking with meals as food can interfere with nutrient uptake. Consistency is crucial for seeing improvements. Daily consumption for at least 4 weeks allows time for circulation improvements to become noticeable. Complement this recipe with simple lifestyle modifications that enhance circulation. Elevate your legs above heart level for 20 minutes daily to encourage fluid drainage. Gentle leg exercises like ankle circles and calf raises help pump blood back to the heart. Perform these movements throughout the day, especially during long periods of sitting or standing. Compression socks provide external support that helps prevent fluid accumulation. Wear graduated compression stockings during work or travel to maintain better circulation. Hydration plays a counterintuitive role in reducing fluid retention. Drinking adequate water prevents your body from hoarding fluids, actually reducing swelling over time. Reduce sodium intake to prevent excessive fluid retention. Processed foods often contain hidden sodium that contributes to swelling problems in susceptible individuals. Monitor your response to this recipe carefully. Most people notice reduced swelling within 1 to 2 weeks of consistent use, with continued improvement over time.